everyone, my name is Amarsana Pimpter. I'm a graduate student at the University of Arizona and I'm finishing my master's degree in public health. In 2019 spring semester, I was in a small group tutoring program at WSIP, and the reason why I signed up for this program is because English is my second language and I always wanted to improve my academic writing skills. And secondly, I was in a 3 week summer program by WSIP called Graduate Writing Institute, and during that program, I was put in a small group tutoring, and I really liked the experience, so I wanted to continue that experience. And from this small group tutoring program, I gained so much. The first thing is I stopped making same grammar mistakes. The two graduate students in my small group and the tutor, the three of them gave me the list of the grammar mistakes that I usually do, and using that list, I become more cautious and aware while I was writing, and I completely stopped making those mistakes again. And secondly, we met every week on Fridays, and Friday became my another due date. I had to write something so that I can use my writing sample for our group sessions. So I started working on my writing assignments in classes and my internship report way ahead of time, and I just completely finished them before the due date, and I completely start doing procrastination. Thanks to this small group tutoring program, my last semester here was really smooth. And lastly, I would recommend this small group tutoring program at WSIP to every student at the University of Arizona, especially those who wants to improve their academic writing skills. This is the program that you should sign up. Thank you.